Hello and welcome to the European Summit. My name's Ralph Cochrane and I'm here to show you how to get the most out of this hybrid event platform. Now, I've promised the team that I won't talk too much about the glorious surroundings here in Marbella, the deep blue sea and the fantastic beaches. But if you weren't able to join us here in Spain, don't worry, there are going to be some more TES affiliate conferences starting with Prague in September, and you can find out all the information you need on the tesaffiliateconferences.com website. So let's head over to Brella. This is my homepage. Yours will look something a bit like this. And on the top right-hand side, there are a list of tasks that Brella wants you to complete. And the reason for that is Brella has a really clever artificial intelligence-based matchmaking algorithm. So basically, it can show you the people at the event that you should meet based on your profile. Now, the first thing you need to make sure of is that you've opted in for matchmaking, and you do that by editing your profile if you haven't already. So here you can see on mine various things that I'm interested in. I really like travel by the looks of it, but I also like virtual reality, crypto, blockchain, and a few other things as well. And I've been able to put my LinkedIn profile in there, my email and website for my company. So helping to generate some leads. Underneath the live stream, and it will be live by the time you're watching this, you'll also find upcoming sessions that Brella is going to recommend to you and sponsors that it thinks based on your profile you will be interested in. But the main reason that Brella is so cool is its matchmaking algorithm that matches you with people that you might be able to do business with. So let's take a look at Nick Callisto, and I promise I don't know Nick, but it would appear that we share a few things in common, particularly crypto, blockchain, forex, fashion to a certain extent, and CDNs, content delivery networks. So I can suggest a meeting with Nick, and I can type him a quick message here. And if I send that meeting request, he will receive it via this little chat icon top right. So the two speech bubbles is what you're looking for. And here you'll see some chats that I've had earlier. So that's where requests for meetings are going to come in, and that's where your requests will be as well. Now, if Nick accepts my request, then I'll be able to chat to him. And then at the appointed time, which was 10 a.m., we'll be able to have a video call. One of the tips that I'll give you is 2 minutes before your video call, just send a little chat message saying, looking forward to meeting you in 2 minutes, or are you ready? Just helps to convert more of those chat messages to actual calls. Now, on the Brella user interface, everything that you need is on the left-hand side. Probably the main tab that you'll be in is the Stream tab. We have 3 stages at this show, so a lot of content. And if you're interested in having a look at what's going on the other channels, you'll find all 3 of them from this drop-down box on the Stream tab. It's also on the Home tab as well, a little smaller box there, but you see stage 1, 2, 3. So if you want to find stage 2, that's how you do it. And then as you move around the platform, the live stream follows you. So you can carry on listening to the content and the discussion whilst you're having a look at the sponsors, or in this case, the schedule. On the right-hand side of the schedule, you'll find lots of categories that the organizers have helpfully set up to help you find the content you want. So if you're only interested in YouTube, you can tick that box and find the session with Sebastian about YouTube. Likewise, advertising, e-commerce, affiliate networks, banking, artificial intelligence, the list goes on. There's something for everybody. So rather than looking at this quite complicated, very detailed and fantastic schedule, you can start to filter it to the areas that you're interested in. Now, tip number 2, on the top right, it's always a good idea to tick past content once we start the conference. So if you want to go back and look at the earlier sessions that you missed, that's how you find them, because Brella will show you the sessions that are coming up from the time right now. So if you're thinking, where is the 10 a.m. session from this morning? That's how you find it. You click on past content. So over on the left-hand side, there's another really important part as well, which are the breakout rooms. This is your opportunity to interact with other delegates and talk face-to-face, so much like a Zoom call. You will only be able to get into these breakout rooms when the time comes. So 5 o'clock here on the 2nd, I'll be able to go into this room. And there's a limit of 50 people. So if you are desperate to get into one of these breakout rooms, make sure that you're there early. If you want to connect with or find out more information about the speakers, you do that on the speakers tab. So their bios, their connection details, things like LinkedIn will all be on there. And none of this would be possible without our sponsors. So if you want to find out more information about some of our sponsors, you'll find them here. For example, if I go into Securian Pay, I can find out information about them, watch their product video. I can also chat with them and I can arrange a meeting. And you'll see that there are lots of sponsors who've helped to support this event. So please do have a good look through and see if there's anything that's of interest. So that's it for a quick tour of the Brella platform. If you have any questions, the team will be on hand to help you. There are also 3 hosts for this event. I'm one of them, so you'll see me on some of the live stream sessions along with Romana and Sam as well. And finally, if you want to share the content, maybe you're speaking and you want to show your mum, you can, because we're going to be streaming to Facebook and also YouTube. So make sure you look for the Euro Summit on Facebook. That's the Euro Summit. And make sure you like and follow, and you'll see some of the sessions there. And on YouTube, if you search for Walter Tez, Walter's one of the organizers, you'll find the YouTube channel as well. And again, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell on YouTube. It all helps help the community to grow. So that's it for this quick tour around this hybrid event platform. We hope you enjoy the show, and we'll see you soon.